So this is the piece that I will be painting. I'm going to be painting Eren in his Titan form from the very popular series Attack on Titan. Let's start off with the background. Also, don't forget to tell me who is your favorite Titan and or character from this series Attack on Titans.
I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gonna bring me down. Here we go.
Invincible.
Now we're just putting some final touches on this piece before I show you the final reveal of how it came out. And here it is. I love the final product. Now originally I was going to go ahead and paint this huge, big, massive painting. But alas, time did not allow that, and I lost electricity twice. So I had to rush this to get it out, and I had to make it in a much smaller size. I also painted the edges of the circular canvas. This is the second time I've painted on a circular canvas, and I really enjoyed it. I really love it, and it looks really nice. And I hope you all enjoyed how this turned out and enjoyed seeing me painting. Who else should I paint next? Should I paint Levi, or maybe the Armored Titan, or the Colossal Titan, or whichever other characters? It's really nice to see how this came from a sketch to the final painting. I really had more fun than I thought I would painting this, so I definitely would love to draw and paint more characters. Maybe finally do that big painting that I actually wanted to do. And if this video reaches 500 views and 50 likes, I'll go ahead and give this out to one of my subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching.